Okay guys, so today we are answering a question that a lot of people have been asking. Can you point two different domain names to the same website? Well, the answer in short is yes, you can indeed. So stick around as we break this down into manageable steps. So we're going to see what are the benefits, also why would you want to do that, and also the things to watch out for. Okay, so first and foremost, why would you even want to point different domain names to the same website? Well, the first reason is brand protection. And you can do so by securing different versions of your domain and also protect it against misspellings. So this will guarantee that your visitors always land on your website. And also, most importantly, it will prevent your competitors from snatching those domain names and stealing that traffic from you. Now, another reason could be business expansion. So let's say initially you're based in Germany. So your main website would be a .de domain name. Now you expand to the UK maybe to France, maybe to Spain as well. You expand your market to all these different countries. Now you can gain more exposure by expanding your business with the .co.uk, .fr and .sp as well. Okay, so now let's address what are the benefits of doing so. Well, the main one is to safeguard your domain against misspellings. So imagine if someone types your name wrong, if you have all these different domain names registered, well, you will still get that traffic. Another benefit would be target segmentation. So for instance, you could have a specific domain name for your English-speaking audience, and you could have a different domain name to target your Spanish-speaking audience, in which case you provide both audiences with a very unique and tailored experience. And let's not forget search engine visibility. Obviously, the more domain names you have, the more chances you have to show up in the search results, thus attracting more visitors. Now, let's face it, there are some risks involved in doing so, and the main one is duplicate content. If Google finds out that you have duplicate content on the internet, you might get penalized because of that. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. You can use 301 redirects. So basically what this is telling to Google is that this is your main website, and all these domain names using 301 redirects are basically URLs, and this way you won't get penalized for duplicate content. Okay, now here's a big one. When you purchase a domain name, check the history of that domain before you purchase it. Why? Well, it's very simple. Some ill-intentioned people might have used that domain name to spam other people or something like that, in which case, if you purchase that domain name, it will damage your reputation with Google, and you might get penalized, or even worse, not even show up in the search result anymore. And then also there's the cost involved. Obviously, you have to buy those domain names, you need to manage them. All this include time and obviously effort. So all of these need to be factored in. Now, managing multiple domains, like we mentioned, can get really tricky. But for this, there's an easy solution, which is called a reseller hosting package. So at Verpex, for instance, we provide such thing, which is an absolutely great solution because you can have all your domain names listed under the same account. So it's super easy to manage them all at once. And to discover our special conditions, simply go to our website verpex.com. Again, we'll leave all the links in the description below. And from here, simply go to reseller hosting. And with such hosting plan, you can sell our hosting services and start earning money as a web hosting reseller. So those plans include cPanel, WHM, and also free SSL certificate and a lot more, so you can start your own successful reseller business. And obviously, for complete peace of mind, we offer, as always, 24/7 expert support and a full 45-day money-back guarantee, just in case you wanted to cancel. So how much does all of this cost? Well, click on this button here, get started, and as you can see, it starts for as low as $11.99 per month, right up to $39.99. So it's not even expensive, guys. Imagine the potential and the earnings you can make just using our services. So there you go, guys. As you can see, you can clearly point two different domain names to the same website and gain a lot of different benefits, such as protecting your brand, more reach, or increased visibility. So there you go, guys. If you want to give it a go, as always, we'll leave all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.